In this video, I am going to show you how to add default Windows emojis on your YouTube video title description by using PC or laptop. Okay, on your Windows PC or laptop, open the YouTube video you want to add emoji. For now, I am going to add the emoji on this title. On your PC or laptop keyboard, press Windows key plus period key at the same time, like this. Now you can see the lots of default Windows emojis. Then to add an emoji, just click the emoji. Then it will be added like this. Actually, you can add this emoji on title, description, comment section, or even this trick will work on all platforms on any Windows PC and laptop. Yeah, this is how you can add emojis on your YouTube video title using Windows PC or laptop. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video to your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.